So with regard to the registry selling the automatic arrangement notice, there's a separate rule. Because otherwise the registry would not do that.
Yes, please.
Unless there's some instruction.
Some instructions, yes. The copy of this order may be sent to the petitioner also in case she wants to engage with us an advocate on record with us.
Because order will be available online. It will be available online in the registry.
So next time I remember Justice Arvind Kumar said, I have only 3 matters of such left with us.
So that in the High Courts, when the counsel reports
yes.
that the client is not getting in touch with him,
yes,
and on that ground he wants it to be dismissed for default,
yes,
we advise him not to do that because tomorrow the client can sue him.
Complain, yes,
because unless you are given a no objection,
you are supposed to represent. Yes,
you're not off the hook.
You're not.
Even if he's not contacting you, you're bound to argue.
Absolutely, Milos, absolutely. That I have no difficulty in arguing it. If the lodge is on, but I don't know.
But already the other way, you should file a discharge application and say the client is not.
That discharge application is dismissed in the Supreme Court.
Yes,
we do not follow that kind of practice. That is not there in the High Courts at all. But here it is basically between you and your client. It's a contract between you and your client. There is a question of the court stepping in and discharging you. You're a party to that contract.
We have got rid of many clients.
But my fear not for the court to step in and say that one party to the contract we are discharging. We do not know what are the obligations you have there.
I have dismissed that application.
No.
Who can't? Until and unless it's a contract.
Yes.
If you like to terminate the contract under the Contract Act, write a register letter, give an acknowledgement.
Yes.
Then his name will be printed in the call. It will be called once again.
Yes.
If it doesn't come, dismissed.
An innovative client may sue the Supreme Court next for stepping in and breaking his contract.
Anyway, this happens only once in lifetime, so I have managed to get rid of all my matters with us. Grateful. Very much.
Give you very. 1-0. Just this number. Reverse it. High Court acquitted. High Court convicted.
And also High Court. I have completed.
Oh, I see. High Court confirmed. Confirmed it. 2008 incident.
Concurrent.
Who's there for the response?
Yes, no. There are 2 cases.
Nothing else point out. The High Court was entertaining leave to appeal by the state and appeal statutory and case 72 by the victim. They disposed of together. But looks like the flavor of the impugned order is more towards rejecting, not granting the leave. That probably weighed with the court while granting leave.
The way the judgment is structured.
Yes, sir. It has a flavor more of a rejecting the leave because there is no case made out. But does not in fact deal with the appeal as a victim appeal. Yes, sir.
So you want remand then?
No. I'm suggesting should Lordship decide otherwise, then that's a course open. That's what I'm saying. Not the beginning else.
Friend want remand, I got
No. I'm not saying so of 2008. I'm only giving flavor of the Malad.
Right. So you are agreed that the appeal was not.
No, I am only saying Malad every.
I don't know because the matter be.
One way of writing an article.
Your Lordship, sir, please, matter can go back.
No.
Yes.
Yes, wait. So there are 2 issues in this matter. But they are the brothers-in-law of the deceased, a woman. But her husband died sometime before this occurrence, leaving behind lot of properties. These 2 people were troubling her. But in respect of the property, she was not willing for that. In fact, they wanted her to come and live with them. For that also she refused. And there was an earlier occurrence, she made a complaint to the police.
What was their relationship with her?
These 2 are the brothers-in-law.
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 The brothers of the deceased husband.
Husband's brothers. Her husband left some property. She was holding them. There was some dispute in respect of those properties. They wanted her to come and live with them. She refused. Earlier there was an occurrence, Murad, she made a complaint, Murad, that has also been spoken, Murad, by the prosecution witnesses. And after that, Murad, this occurrence was on 27/8/2008, Murad, at about 8:30 p.m. Just somewhere near her house, Murad, on the street. To be witnessed, Murad, by 4 persons, PW1 Ashok Kumar, Murad, the brother of the deceased. The accused of brothers-in-law, he is brother. PW2 Murad one Shekhar, Murad, who was the deceased was his niece. That's what he says. Deceased was his niece. He is another eyewitness. PW3 Murad, an important witness, Bhim Singh, an eyewitness, who is a neighbor of the deceased. And PW14, the wife of PW3, she had seen these two accused fleeing away from the scene of occurrence. These are the 4 witnesses who are very vital. Normally, the case of the prosecution is, then when she was walking along the road to reach her house, these 2 people came with a motorcycle. But A1 was riding the motorcycle and A2 was the billiard rider. On nearing her, A1 stopped the vehicle. A2 got down with a pistol and from close range, he shot at her. She fell down. But both of them fled away in the same motorcycle. But PW1, 2 and 3 immediately arranged for a car, took her to the hospital. But PW16, doctor admitted her. But at that time, according to the doctor Mullers, the deceased was not in a position to speak. Though her consciousness comes and goes, she was not in a position to speak. Therefore, she could not tell. Though repeatedly he asked her as to what had happened, she was not in a position to speak. Therefore, the person who accompanied told about the occurrence. In the hospital records, PW16 mentioned that it was PW1 who brought the deceased to the hospital with injuries. It was in the hospital. Then PW1 say that I went out of the hospital to collect some money because we had to inform relatives and all that to collect some money for expenses. He went out. But when she was proceeding to her house, to his village, he also gave phone call. They came with money, therefore he returned. In the meanwhile, while he was taking her to the hospital, he also informed the police control room over phone that this has happened. That was recorded in the police station, based upon which the station officer and other police constables rushed to the spot. On the spot, they found only blood stains, and the deceased had already been taken to the hospital. There was no eyewitness present there. Quite obviously, no eyewitness was present because all had gone to the hospital around the deceased. It's a natural human conduct. They had gone there. Therefore, they returned to the police station. On the report submitted, special report submitted by a constable, a case was registered in which the name of the assailant was not known, quite obviously, was not known. Then the investigation started. During the course of investigation, these eyewitnesses were examined. But every day an attempt was
The FIR says unknown accused.
No, because they came by the police constable who went to the spot. The police constable received from the control room. She received a message.
What FIR did he register? 307?
307.
Without the complainant being there.
No.
Only shown as the complainant.
All have gone to the hospital.
No, but someone must have been shown as the complainant with the FIR.
If a constable is a complainant.
The constable himself is a complainant.
On his report, case already.
he examined?
Yes, exactly.
What does he say?
But he says that I went to the spot, I found the blood stains.
No.
Go on.
What basis did he go?
That the PW1 had informed.
He says so.
Yes, they are on record. I saw.
What is the PW number?
But PW1 informed.
No, not PW1.
Yeah,
The one
Constable.
Constable who registered the offence.
Yes, but the one who gave the information was PW 9 minutes. But I was trying to be corrected. When
If you look at the FIR, you will have the name of the person.
Yeah, the FIR was registered in the name of perhaps O.P. Yadav.
Okay. Did you examine?
O.P. Yadav, but he is PW5. I'm sorry, not PW5.
PW5.
Five. Now, when the investigation started, that every day the IO send message to the hospital to record statement of the deceased. The doctor every day said that she was not in a condition to speak, she was on ventilator like that. Therefore, no statement could be recorded from her. Finally, she died on 13/9/2008.
13/9.
Yes.
No.
Yeah.
7.
Now, the Honorable High Court, the trial court as well as the Honorable High Court, the trial court acquitted both the accused on the purported ground of delay in examining PW1 to 4 by the police. That's the only ground. The Honorable High Court concurred with that. Well, let me take you now through the depositions. As to how the only reason stated by the Honorable High Court. And other things are very peripheral, some contradictions, etc. All those things are not sustainable. Well, may I take you to the FIR, please? You also kindly come to page 32. Referring to my SLC.
Yes.
32 minutes FIR. What can see? The occurrence time log 27/8/2008 minutes around 8:50. Information received around 11:40. Murder column 6, paragraph 6, murder complaints name ASI, Assistant Sub Inspector O.P. Yadav. Over the page, page 33, paragraph 7, details of known or suspected person blank. Then you will now kindly come to page 34, the contents of the FIR. ED number 39A, dated 27/8/2008, PS Police Station, Kapshakara, New Delhi. Information received by QST PCR is registered at the time of 8:50 p.m. At 8:50 p.m., telephone message was entered not in that.
What is this short form? QST PCR? Police Constable.
PCR, Police Control Room.
Control Room. QST?
Normally, this RT, the quick response team, normally where the referred as.
Sorry?
Normally this RT, quick response team.
You should have been with QRT, quick response team, with staggered claims.
So the PCR, how they know that?
Very common, it's like in our place, maybe general entry. Entry is made in that. So, 8:50 p.m. it was entered. At this time, QST PCR came to DDO room. The presented the matter as the same is in jail that in Kapshara statement that a lady has been shot by the bullet and the same has been recorded by the lady constable Neelam, number so and so. The matter has been reported and recorded in the general diary and the same has been marked to the ASI O.P. Yadav and the same has been sent through H.C. Charan Singh, so and so. And the ASI will initiate ASI.DO received the original documents and SD in English, ASI so and so, and it is completely submitted by me before SHO. That is what Yadav says. That I reached this spot at house number 272, that is the house of the deceased, near State Bank, and at house number 272, Rao Nihal Singh morgue in the open street. The blood is lying there at two places. and in between house number 271 and 72, at the opening of the street, and empty silver cartridge. And after asking, it was revealed that someone has shot Sunita Yadav, wife of late Ravinder Yadav, Shera, and the injured who was in serious condition had been taken to the hospital by her brother Ashok. He is PW1. In ISIE hospital, Basant Gunj, and in the meanwhile, the SHO visited the spot and no eyewitness was found, and the SHO instructed the head constable Sahil Singh present at the spot to provide the security to the injured. And ASI left for hospital with the CT Dharamveer at the SHO, reached the ISIE hospital, Basant Gunj, where the injured Sunita Yadav, MLC number so and so, and no eyewitness was found there. PW 1, 2, 3, and 14 were not found there. And as per the condition of the
How do
body,
you explain that? That no one was there.
yes, they went.
You said what, the brother wanted to go get money.
The others also went out.
All of them went to get money.
Yet not PW 14, not PW 14 is a woman, she did not come to the hospital. These three people,
The neighbor was
they
there.
returned immediately.
Neighbor returned.
They returned immediately, and at about 9:30, PW 1 statement was recorded. They returned immediately. I will take your lordship now through the evidence of PW 1 to 3. And act was found to be, no eyewitness was found there in the hospital, there means in the hospital. And as per the condition of the body of the injured, the offence under section 307 IPC Act was found to be committed. And as per the report, the case for investigation is made out, and report is sent to the PS police station by CT Dharamveer, and request to send the crime team and a case be registered. The SHO is requested to mark the same for investigation to SI Pradeep Ravar, and I, the ASI, left the spot, and I reached the spot at about 8:50 p.m. on 27/8/2008, and I left at about 11:15 p.m. English hour. The case is registered and is to be investigated, and the original report, along with copy of the computerized FIR copy of so and so, is direction of the SHO has been sent, and the same is sent to the crime team, reaching the spot while in the service of the senior officers. So this is the effect. Then you have to kindly complete 36 incident. You have to also kindly have a look at it. This is very relevant at a later point of time. You have to kindly see. This is dated 29/8/2008.
Page.
But page next over the page 36. It is submitted that one lady. This is the letter to the CMO of the hospital by the SA police. It is submitted that one lady, Sunita Yadav, wife of so and so, has been injured and had a gunshot injury and admitted to your hospital by the MLC number so and so. Please conduct the medical examination and opine whether she is fit for statement or otherwise. Not the reply. Patient is unfit for statement.
What is this? 1908-2008?
Yes,
21 days.
How can it be 1908?
no, this time. Some type of 29 right side you have to 29. Like this, some type of error. 29 right side. SI Pradeep Shara.
Is
29.
that a typing error? According to the other side, it is
In fact, that is Rajput has noted also. Says you are doing after 21 days, what are you doing?
So it's 1909 then.
19th of.
It can't be August.
Not
Incident itself was 27th of August.
Not too bad. It has to be September.
September then. 1909. There needs to be clarity on facts. What is this? Is this a typing error? Is it 1909?
Brother, I am not in a position to explain this.
The original record is here.
Whether you argue or let me argue, sir.
What is the annexure number? Is it marked in evidence, Mr. Nagmut?
Yes, Martin.
What is the exhibit number? PW 22A.
Exhibit number P22A.
PW 22A it says. Record is here? Record form. Very good. You proceed. Let us see how the record comes in.
But then over the page at page 37, you have to find this was on 38. Not every percent. First one was 29A. The next one was on 38. This is again the same letter. Doctor says the said patient is unfit for treatment. 38. Then we are on page 38. Again, 19/2008. Here again the doctor says patient is unfit for treatment. Then we are page 39. 39. Same thing.
But did someone go there and actually look at her? From the IO, someone went to the hospital, saw the patient, or these doctors are acting in collusion with the accused? Anything
It's
is
not very
possible?
clear. It's not very clear. It's not very clear. Probably, they said, I do not know the practice there in Delhi. Normally, so as far as the practice which I know is that some constable will go, give a letter. They will send
And the requisition will be sent to the magistrate to go and ask for a dying declaration. Nothing is there.
peculiar practice. Practice here.
Normally, FIR would have been sent to the jurisdictional magistrate. Steps would be taken automatically to see whether.
As per the medical code, the doctor has to inform the magistrate, local magistrate, not to come under further dying declaration as and when she is fit. Because in this case, she never regained consciousness until the death. She was on ventilator, doctor says. Therefore,
Doctor is examined.
Yes,
Never conscious after that.
yes. After the trial, take will also prove evidence in doctors. The entire medical record has been produced, not by way of exhibit. Entire medical record till her death.
Because they don't say she is unconscious. They only say patient is unfit for a statement.
Yes.
What does that mean? It's neither here nor there.
Doctor's language.
Very good.
Now, with this, your argument.
This goes on till 5th September.
Yeah.
5th September, thereafter, there's no record.
No record.
She died a week later. More than a
After
week.
that, Manoj, your argument kindly look at the medical record produced through the doctor. He says, Manoj, she never regained the consciousness. That will happen. Now, let us look at the evidence that PW1 Manoj is saying. But PW1 is probably finding page 41.
Yes.
PW1 Ashok Kumar, Manoj, the brother of the deceased. And he was also living with her after the demise of her husband. My sister, namely Sunita, was married to Ravindra Yadav. She was married with Ravindra. My sister was having no issue. My brother-in-law died 3 years before, prior to this incident. I was residing with my sister for 2 years prior to the death of Ravindra Yadav. Both the accused persons present in the court today, currently identified by the witness, used to harass my sister, who is deceased, only on account of she not having a child and having a huge rental income. Both the accused persons put pressure on her to adopt their kids, and she was having huge rental income, but my sister did not accept this. Both the accused persons are the real brothers-in-law of the deceased. They used to come to her house and threaten her, asking her to stay with her parents so that they can capture their property and the rental income, which was around rupees 50 to 60,000 per month. About 1.5 years back, when my deceased sister went to collect the rental income, her father-in-law manhandled her. On this aspect, a call to police was made at number 100, which matter was registered and the case is still pending. I was looking after her property, which was yielding the rent. But on 27/8 was the crucial date of occurrence. About 8:30 p.m., while I was going out from my house, I noted that my sister was coming into the house from Gully. At that time, a motorcycle from behind came, on which both the accused persons were riding. Accused Narendra A2 was driving that motorcycle, and Joginder A1 was the pillion rider. They stopped the motorcycle at a distance of 2 feet from my sister. Accused Joginder took out his weapon.
Pillion was A2. Now you're saying Joginder is A1.
No, Joginder is A1. Narendra, the person who was driving the motorcycle, was A2.
A2. Earlier you said the reverse.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Accused Narendra A2. Joginder was a pillion rider.
Very.
They stopped the motorcycle at a distance of 2 feet from my sister. Accused Joginder took out a weapon and fired on my sister, which hit her on the back. I heard the pataka type noise and I returned back and saw that my sister fell down. Then I saw the accused persons returned the motorcycle and fled from the spot toward the old Gurgaon road. I then raised noise and cries upon Krishna, PW 14 minutes, the wife of PW 3. Then Bhim Singh PW 3 and Shekhar PW 2, my chacha reached there. Then a Santro car from the neighborhood was called and she was taken to Vasant Gunj Indian Spinal Injury Center Hospital. She was admitted there in casualty. Afterwards, we came back to Kapshara, that is the village, to arrange money. Kapshara. Upper share of arrange money. Thereafter, police came in the hospital and tried to record her statement. She was not fit to make the statement. She died after 15 to 16 days. During all this period, she was on ventilator. Thereafter, I deposited the money at the counter and signed the papers in the hospital. I had given to the police original death certificate of deceased photography. Then it goes like that. That will not be very relevant. I skip the rest of the things. Okay, go to the cross-examination.
Yes.
But he was cross-examination. But there is a practice here that cross-examination is not done on the same day. Several days, several times distance they respond like that. But this examination was on 27/3/2009. But she was reading. You also really see a very
Nearly 4 months later.
Therefore, at the accused request, has to want to cross-examine this witness along with other witnesses. There was cross-examination on after 2 months. That was on 25/2009. Then in cross-examination was for the first paragraph cannot be very relevant. No, I go to second.
22.
I know
22A. 22A. What was the number? 22A.
Yes, no, 22 22.
22.
Exhibit
P 22.
TW 22.
Yes.
Paragraph 2. I know every shopkeeper and hospital under the radius of 100 yards of Sunita's house. I do
One
not.
moment, Mr.
Exam.
This PW 22A is given by Dr. Sunita Froki.
Doctor,
The doctor.
PW 16 is Dr. Ruchi.
yes.
Sunita is not there.
Sunita Korade, who has certified in exhibit P22. He is Dr. Sunita Korade. She has not been examined.
No. PW 22 refers to the through whom it is marked. PW 22 must be the document.
It is PW 16.
This PW 22A, the date is 29/8. It's not 99, 29/8.
And all these,
Handwritten 29/8.
all these 32 pages medical records have been marked through PW 15, Dr. Abhishek Sharma.
That is different.
He is in the next page.
Next witness is PW 16, Dr. Ruchi Mishra.
No, PW 22.
What did he say? He is one of the.
PW 22, Dr. Sunita.
What does he say?
He has put the endorsement and notification in exhibit PW 15.
here is as per the rule. In the state of Tamil Nadu, as well as in other states, the exhibits numbers are given in seriatim, P1, P2, P3. But here, when the document is not to a particular witness, we mentioned that with 22A.
So she is examined as 20.
So it would be
Can be traceable to which witness?
which witness?
But here the name is shown as Smita. Not
Smita, page
Smita.
141. Smita.
It's not Smita, no? Where is that?
Smita,
22A again?
page 141.
Her name is Sunita or Smita?
Smita.
What you showed us was.
No, I didn't. Normally take Smita. Not Smita.
It is Sunita.
Smita. No, the evidence is there.
Show that page, which way? This one, Michael. It's Smita, not
Smita, yeah. But her evidence is found at page 141. Recently, you also kindly have a look at page 141.
Yes.
Dr. Smita, consultant intensive care Indian Spinal Injury Center, Vasanpur, Delhi. In the year 2008, I was working in the same hospital on 29/8/2008, 19/2008, 3/9/2008, and 5/9/2008. I had opined that the injured Sunita Yadav admitted in the hospital in ICU was unfit for treatment. My document in this regard on the application of the police law issued PW 22A, 22B, 22C, and 22D respectively. The progress notes chart in a medical file of the injured. Here's my observations of different dates and the same are PW 22E1 to PW 22E4 in the document collectively already executed as a fluid. PW 15B original seen as a reference. The original was marked through the entire record was marked by PW 15 and she has also identified her endorsement.
Then, what does PW1 say? He's the brother. He must have visited her. He is the best person to speak about whether she was conscious or unconscious.
He said that he was unconscious.
True.
Yes. But at page 42, he said she was not fit to make the statement. She died after 15 to 16 days. During all these periods, she was on a ventilator.
Being on a ventilator does not necessarily mean that the person is unconscious.
Ventilator, putting oxygen is different from ventilator. Ventilator, when the person is completely unconscious, ventilator will be used. Ventilator means almost the last day, the ventilator stopped, the man will die. Declaration of death for her when you relative.
Ventilator is doing the breathing for you, but consciousness, I'm not particularly
Ventilator,
certain that.
limited knowledge. Ventilator is the last resort.
No, but does he say that she was unconscious? He is the brother. He would have visited her in the hospital every day.
That's what he said.
118 notes by the doctor, she is conscious and speaking. Page 118.
Page 1?
118. PW 16. On a cross, admits at page 118. Top 3 lines.
So this is at the time of admission.
It does.
This is at the time of admission.
First one.
She was unable to tell. The brother had something here. Was telling us.
I'll come to this.
Come back to PW1. Where does he speak about?
PW 1 minutes. The cross-examination is referring. I will take lots more through cross-examination. The relevant portion at page 45 is not the ground upon which he has been disbelieved. The only ground. Page 45.
45?
45. From 45.
Yes.
Throughout the last paragraph, we took 5 to 7 minutes to remove the injured in a Santro car. It is correct that in the car, Mrs. Sunita was supported from her back by Krishna. Krishna PW2. Mrs. Sunita was crying in pain and she was not unconscious at that time. Volume. She was telling that she is suffering from pain. I and Bhim Singh lifted the deceased injured from the spot to the car in a manner that I caught hold of the injured from her back and Bhim Singh PW3 caught hold of her through her legs. The car was brought near the spot and the injured was placed on the back seat of the car. Shekhar PW2, my Chacha sat with her on the back seat. I drove the car and Bhim Singh PW3 sat on the front seat.
You said PW2 is Krishna.
Krishna.
Shekhar.
Krishna
Who is?
Shekhar is the deceased was his niece.
That is the Chacha. That is Shekhar.
Shekhar.
Earlier page you said Krishna is PW2. Who is Krishna then?
Krishna is the wife of PW3.
PW 14.
14.
So PW 14 in his chief itself says he never went in the car.
She did not go. PW 14 is not.
PW 1 or 2?
No.
It says so. PW 2.
PW2 went in the car.
But you're saying here that according to PW1,
Yeah.
deceased was supported in the car
Yeah.
by Krishna.
Which
In the car, deceased was supported from her back by PW 14.
Correct.
I read it once again. She was supported from her back by Krishna.
Oh.
Blood she was lifted. Thereafter what happened? This is Sunita was crying in pain and she was not conscious and she was not unconscious. She was telling that she is suffering from pain. I and Bhim Singh lifted the discipline 3, lifted the injured from the spot to the car in a manner that I caught hold of the injured from the back and Bhim Singh PW3 caught hold of her through her legs. The car was brought near the spot and the injured was placed on the back seat of the car. Shekhar PW2, my Chacha, sat with her on the back seat. So deceased.
So sat with her in the back seat of the car. That means PW 14 accompanied. What do you mean by supporting her and sitting in the back of the car? That means he also followed her.
The Chacha mother.
Not just the Chacha, this Krishna.
No,
Earlier part you said it is, or rather PW1 said it is correct that in the car, deceased Sunita was supported from her back by Krishna.
no, lifted. No, you have to see the original ones. Maybe something.
Because thereafter he's talking about who took her into the car. He says, I and Bhim Singh lifted the injured from the spot to the car. At that point of time, Krishna is not involved.
We have to break the original. This is some country.